Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this makeup look based off one of my favorite beers, which is the Angry Orchard Hard Cider, and this is the new one that they came out with, and it is the rosé. I think it is so pretty. I love this. It's not sponsored or nothing like that. I just was one night I was drinking this and I just saw the picture and I just thought I had to do a makeup look over it. So here is the, don't mind my nails right now, but here is the pictures. I just thought those colors were so pretty together that I just had to do this look. So that is how this look came about today. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so to get started on this, I really had no idea what I wanted to do today, and I haven't done a video for two reasons. One, because when I went to LA, I broke out really bad on my jawline, and I've always done that every time I go down there. So it bugs me. So you guys could kind of see, but it's been healing a lot better. It has just been horrible. And then two, there wasn't a look that I really wanted to try to do today. Well, for a while actually. And so one day I decided to try this one beer. Okay, I love Angry Orchards. I just love them. So anyways, let me sit up a bit. Anyways, I got their rosé. And so I've been looking at it a lot from drinking it, and I'm like, I want to definitely try this look because I think it is so pretty. Let me bring it up. You see those, don't mind my nails, but you see those colors? I was like, you know, I definitely want to try to recreate that. So that's what I did with this eye. You can't kind of see the green on the bottom. It looks like a black or something, but it is a green. I was just a little disappointed that I did not have that color green. So we make do what we have. So that is what I'm going to be doing with this look. So every color I have jumped into its own palette. So there's not two colors in one palette. No, they're all in different ones. So to get started with the lid, and if you hear rustling, this is why I got a puppy. So this is Vinny, and he is the cutest little guy. He's like 10 weeks, so definitely getting into everything. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Yeah? He's a Chiweenie, so obviously half Dachshund and half Chihuahua, but he definitely took more of the Dachshund side because I love Dachshunds. They are so cute. So anyways, he's here. Yeah, to get started, I am going to go into the Carities Just Peachy palette, and I'm using Creamy, which is that color, and it does get lost in it gets lost in the mix of blending and everything, but you know, it's there and we enhance that a little later. So we're just doing this as the transition shade and really just blend this out. So as you can see, it has that little tint, but from this side right here, you don't see as much, but that is okay because mainly the top is just to have the blown out pinks, and then the brown and the green, it has its own area on the bottom, but it's there and it will be there. And so now going in with the Element of Surprise, the ColourPop shadow, I'm going in with that shade right there, and it looks like a dark burgundy kind of shade, but it's not. I was surprised. I wasn't sure if I wanted to try the shade, but it comes out so differently. So I'm just gonna use the mirror real quick. It is so pretty though. And it's okay if you get it sloppy on the lid because we are going to cut the crease. But just really blend this as much as you can upward. A little bit more. Okay, so that is what we have right now. Okay, so here's where we cut the crease, and I'm just getting the Better Skin concealer from Maybelline, and I am going to now get my brush. Ah, shit. Anyways, now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Okay, so now getting a flat brush, I am now going into the Carities Posh palette, and I am going to be using Merrill. It's like a white shadow with some pink in there. So I'm getting this and putting it halfway on my lid. Now the next palette we are going with is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the brush I use, I'm going in with a different flat defining brush, and and I am going in with Pukey. I think that's Pukey. Anyways, I'm going in with that. And I'm going to just put this on the rest of the lid and put it in the wing area. And so with that part being done, I'm back into that Merrill color. I am just going over that brown and following on top where that crease was, where we cut it. I'm getting that shade again. The pink. And then going back in with the brown. I'm not putting any extra product on right now. And I'm just kind of keeping it low under that right now, because I really want it to have its own dimension and have the lighter color still go over. I kind of like having it with the little slant, like that. So that part is done. So now I'm going to hurry up and quickly tightline and do the waterline with the Tristique brown eye crayon. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I ended up going ahead and did my wing liner and mascara. I forgot to mention that I was going to do that as well, but it's done. So now for the other important part is, well, not important. Let me first close all of my palettes because I don't need them open. Oh, here it is. Okay, so now I am going into the Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, And I am going into Destiny, which is that light olive green. And when I did this, I really thought it was going to be the green I wanted, but it still came out a little darker than what I was hoping for, but it is okay. So that is what that looks like, and I am now getting a little blending brush. You guys can choose whatever brush you feel comfortable blending out for your lower lash line, but I'm going back into that ColourPop palette and using that shade. And let me actually get my mirror now, and I am just going to brush this color underneath that green and just really kind of smoke it out. You guys can go as low as you want and however you feel comfortable, but I'm gonna kind of really smoke this out for sure. So with that part done, I am going to now go into the Sugar palette, the Glow Kit from Anastasia as well. And I'm going to just get my brush that I like to highlight with, the Morphe M213 brush. I'm going into Starburst and Butterscotch, and I'm just going to highlight the brow bone. And this is where I was saying, even though we lost that other color technically, but it still lightens it. It's light enough for it, and it's not that bad to blend in more of the lighter shade, which is, this is lighter than that transition color that we used, but it's still, I ended up liking that. That's why I still did this, because the picture, it has a lot more of the lighter pink, and I feel like bringing more of that lighter shade in here besides the, you know, darker lighter pink, if that makes sense. I just feel like it definitely brought it back. So I'm kind of glad it all happened that way. Okay, so now I'm going to throw mascara on the bottom lash line, and I used for the mascara in the liner. The liner was the Stila liner, which you guys should know that it's like my holy grail for an eyeliner. And mascara, I'm just using the Essence Volume Mist mascara. Oh, never mind. For the mascara, I'm using the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my face now. And I was using the Urban Decay Slick. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I am really glad I finally did this. Like, it just, when I saw that picture, I just had to do this. And it's definitely out of my comfort zone, but I'm not gonna say I hate it. Like, I can grow to the pinks, you know. I feel like I could do pink, like I feel like it could work with me, but you know, mentally I'm just thinking like, oh, I don't know about pinks that much, but I'm gonna try to play with it. And overall, I really like how I did not do a dark brown. You know, typically for a tree, you would probably do like a dark brown or things like that, but I'm glad I did the pukey color because I just feel like it complements, you know, it has that yellowy light brown with the, oh, I like it. I think it came out really good. But to go ahead and go over with my face, the primers are the same that I've always used, which is, let me get that out of there. I've been using the Benefit, the POREfessional Matte Rescue, and I mix that with the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot. So I always put those in my T-zone. And then foundation, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focused foundation, and if my camera will focus. I have not used this in a long time. I really do like this, and I don't know why I stopped using it. The concealer I use is the Tarte Shape Tape, and I mix it with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer's setting powder. I just used the Airspun, and this is the translucent extra coverage. So I put that to set the concealer, and for the rest of my face I used the Bare Minerals Medium Beige Original Foundation, and it has the sunscreen, the SPF 15 in it, so I use that to set the rest of my face. Bronzer, I went ahead and used the Ofra's Versatile Matte Bronzer. Contour, I just went in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and this is the Dulce de Leche kit. So I did that. Blush. I used the Bella Pierre's mineral blush in Desert Rose, so that's a very pretty color. It does have some sheen to it, but I like it still, and it worked out. And I used the Anastasia Glow Kit as well, and I just did the same butterscotch and Starburst. So I did that. Brows, I did the NYX Tame and Frame pomade in Espresso. And brightening powder, I used the Essence Brighten Up powder. So I think that covers everything that I used. Oh, and to set my lid and stuff, I just used the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So, again, lips. Just lined it with the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner in Nonstop Nude. And then I used to go over the MDM Flow in Retro. So I used that. So, okay guys, so that sums up everything for now, for sure now. And yeah, if you guys like this video, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And yes, so with all of this being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.